This is Southwest 212, and we're live. We're going to do the Pythagorean theorem to solve for this missing hypotenuse right here. So I'm going to take a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and I'm going to plug in the pieces that I have. I have the two legs. I need to find the hypotenuse. So I'm going to do 12 squared. I'm going to call it a, and plus 16 squared. I'm going to call 16b, and set it equal to c squared. There's two options here. You could write down what 12 squared is and write down what 16 squared is, but most of you are just going to type this all into your calculator at once and tell me the one number. Does somebody have that?
400.
This will equal 400. So c squared equals 400 when I do 12 squared plus 16 squared. And there's only one step left. You just take the square root to undo the area there. And we get that side length is 20. So we know our hypotenuse is 20. I'm going to fill that in on the shape. Southwest 212, over and out.